Guys, I'm John. I'm a medic with Austin, Travis County. I'm also part of the Austin EMS Association competition team. So what we wanted to show you is what we carry when we compete. Also a little bit of stuff that we've integrated into our field use. So I just want to kind of take you through my bags and show you how we're set up. So we'll move down here.
Perfect.
We'll start off with the thigh pack that we use, made by MERET. What this is good for is any of our trauma stuff, any controlling the bleed, stopping the bleed. If we need to get in quick, this stays right here attached to me, connects there, wraps around my thigh. I have scissors on the outside. I also have quick access to gloves right here. When I open it up, anytime I get to a trauma scenario, I'm going to open it up and it's still going to hang there. Quick access to my tourniquets. I can also get IV supply there. I have darts here. I have different syringes and needles behind that if I need to give any medications. Narcan. Here's all my bleeding control. So I can hack a wound. Got 2 gauzes there. Quick clot rolled gauze, and I've also got some sterile bandage if I need to do a chest seal real quick. I can use that. Up here I've got some fluoroseptic wipes as well. A Sharpie if I apply a tourniquet, I can make sure I document the time, so that's well documented there. I've got an MPA down there for a quick airway. This is primarily to treat massive hemorrhaging, anything trauma related, treat the patient, move on until I can get to my primary pack, control that. So that stays on me at all times. Set that over there. So here we use the Omni Pro X series bags. These have been great for us. We've used these for a little, almost a year now. Again, I have quick access to trauma shears. I have a couple more darts up here. We have the nameplate, so if we set our bags up differently, we know whose bag is what, and if we're utilizing different packs for different things, we can get to that quick. It's all Velcro underneath there, so you can change that out, swap it, and move it around. Same with our association patch there. You have a quick open here. We don't have a whole lot filled in here because we got it all in, just gloves, extra trauma dressings. If you wanted to put any more trauma dressings in there, you could, but good open, clear view, everything can be wiped down clean. Zip that up. Move to the front 2 packs here. So this is going to be more tourniquets. If I've got my bag, I've used my 2 Omni. I've got quick access to tourniquets here. I usually like to have 4. It'll hold more than that. But 4 tourniquets, I know I've got those up front, quick access. I don't have to get in anything. This is going to be my, check a blood sugar. I can put a quick finger probe on, get a pulse ox, pulse rate, check a temp if I need to. Quick access to a sharp shuttle if I need to drop any sharps in, just to make sure we're all staying safe. That's important too as well. Again, it's all infection control, so we can wipe it down at the end. If we have a messy seam, we can keep it clean. We'll move on from there. We'll open up our main compartment here. Once we go in here is where all the fun starts. That's where we can really kind of change it for each one. So I've done a few things here. Obviously this is set up for competition. We would set it up a little bit differently for the field. I always want quick access to a tube if I've got to intubate, quick access to a blade. It's ready to go there, and I can always check that. I've got a couple of different sizes here. I've got some PD and some adult, 1 Mac, 1 Miller for each. Airway again, OPA, MPA. Up here, I can always pull this off. Great thing about with the MERET products, if this is where I keep my drugs and I need to take my medication somewhere, I can take that off, I can throw it to my partner, I can go somewhere if I don't want to take the whole bag, and I know I've got everything with me. When we open this up, it's where we keep all of our labeled medications. So obviously, again, getting into competition, we don't want to carry live drugs to these, so we've labeled everything, and it allows us to slide it in here, all the way to aspirin, epi, first line. Everything we would need medication-wise is all in here, and it's quick, accessible. When it's attached to the bag, if I'm using it at the bag rate, it just folds down. If I need to move again, I can close this, grab my bag, and keep moving quick to the next patient. Zip that back up. Up here on the top again, like I said, we have airway. Another Velcro. Love the Velcro. Another pouch. This is all my pediatric stuff. Velcro, gum with Certidose. Anything pediatric-wise I need is all going to be right here. So I know that if I have a little kiddo, I'm grabbing this pouch and this is staying with me. Once I'm done, I can pack it right back on there. It's right where it was, and we're good to go. On the back side of those, here I'm going to have, again, clear see-through module on the back. Unzips, I can see what I need. This is going to be trauma stuff, chest seals, anything, bandaging there. I can tack a wound with some more hemostatic agents. I can see it. I know what it's there. It gives me a visual cue in case we've switched bags or somebody else is getting into it. Backside here, another quick clear view. It's my OB. So if we have any newborns we're delivering, we're going to do it all right here. It's going to be quick and easy to get to. Everything I need fits in there. Again, wipe it down. Moving into the inside of the bag here, I've got our MERET IV pack. For this, I'm able to hang this up somewhere. You're anywhere that you don't necessarily have a stand, I can clip this on to anything, hang it, start my IV. I have IV start kit here, more stuff in that pouch. And if I want to administer the fluid a little bit faster, cinch down on it, and now I've got a pressure bag on there. So that's great to have. Underneath that, keep my junctional tourniquet, great for trauma scenarios, anything where I want to bind that pelvis even or stop the bleed up top or down low, I can throw that in. Moving over there, we've got our red pouch. This stays on us. This holds all of our narcs. We can keep it in there. Keep all of our narcotics in that pouch. Got a trauma pack labeled here. Any dressings, bandaging, triangle bandages there. Anything I need trauma-wise is all going to be there, quick and accessible. Multiple different kinds of fluids here. So we can do our pre-epi drips there, dextrose, levofed, and if I just want to have a 50 ml bag to mix anything else, I can keep all of those right there. I know where I've got other medications / fluids. All of this stuff you'll see if I move this, I can adjust that. If I want to switch it out, I can move that just by moving these. So another thing I love about MERET, it's all encompassing and we can fully adjust it and maximize our space and make sure we're getting the most out of it. Moving forward, everything airway related is going to be right here in these two packs. So I'm going to have my non-root breathers, PD and adult, capno, nasal cannula, and just oxygen tubing. Behind that, I've got a full net kit and a full CPAP. So these are obviously used, again, with the competitions. They fit even better, and I can fit more in there when I've got brand new package devices, just because of the way I can do it. So I'm kind of at a disadvantage there, but it still holds a lot. You can pack those back in. Able to fit a full SAM splint, trauma bag in there. And then we have a full IV and IO kit. So the Easy IO system, obviously the case takes up a lot for just an IO. But what we've done is we've integrated that where it's got all of our full IV, full IO. We've got our 250 bag, 10 drop set, and a 6 drop set, extra IVs, and our first line of cardiac medications already also in here. So cardiac arrest or I need quick IV IO access, I can just grab this and I'm good. Grab this mixed with this and I'm good for anything pediatric. That's what we've got in there. Again, everything